Hello, everybody. I'm at the mall. I'm just spending the day at the mall. You know, sometimes you just got to get away from home. Sometimes you got to get away from that house. Yeah, so I went in this store called Boscov's. They got a lot of old lady clothes, but some of them are really nice. I was going to do a live, y'all. I never did a live. Of all the years I've been on YouTube, I never did a live. So I was thinking of doing one today. But see, my problem with lives, doing a live, would be me saying some things that I don't have no business saying. So that's why I mainly just do the videos. But they have a Chick-fil-A over there. I may do a live over there. If I don't do a live, I'm going to do a video. It's going to be like a mukbang, I guess, or a conversation lunch. I used to do all the lunch and conversations and stuff. Yeah. Y'all wasn't paying me no mind. And sometimes I was spilling a lot of tea, y'all. So I kind of had to stop myself. It's small. I think it was a month or two before the pandemic. At the time, we didn't even know that it was going to be a pandemic. And I forgot what I titled that video, but it just was a weird feeling in that mall that day. This is not a mall that I would come to a lot because it's far from my home. So the ride out here, y'all, I'll be coming out here more often. It did not cost me not 1 cent, you know. It's kind of like the old lady discount, you know what I mean? A lot of my subscribers and a lot of my friends are so much younger than me, but y'all get me. And that's what I love about y'all. Y'all get this old lady. And I have a few that's maybe older. I don't meet too many people my age. And even in real life, I don't. I really don't. But, y'all can see I mainly stay to myself anyway. I'm not feeling all that great today. Y'all probably can tell by my face. But I had to get away. It's nothing bad going on at home. It's just, sometimes you just got to get away. I'm going to be doing a lot of outings, God willing. Y'all see all this gum in my mouth. Let me pull this away a little bit. So I'm going to be doing a lot of outings. Getting back to the old Sasha a little bit from the early days. Y'all know y'all used to always go with me. I'm acting like y'all actually went with me on the trip. Y'all will see me in New York. I won't be going to New York. It's just with my health, it's a little too fast-paced for me. I would like to go so bad, y'all. I used to have such a good time. And I always say I'm not a summertime person. I don't like the summer. There's so much going on. It was an event in one of the towns I used to live in many, many years ago. Plainfield, New Jersey. I'm not from there, but I lived there years ago. They had Ruben Studdard. They had them old school groups, and they said it was going to rain Saturday. And I wanted to go, but I had changed my mind. But when I saw the pictures online, I said, I should have gone. He had like a tribute to Luther. It's so so many free events and shows, and y'all that's been with me for a long time. I used to be real lucky or blessed, and I used to win concert tickets just about every month. So me and my daughter, we used to go to a lot of shows. I was telling my mom the other day, I done seen in my lifetime 100 shows or maybe more. If I really would write it down, I would be able to see how many people I have seen in my lifetime, starting from a teenager on up. Okay, so I've seen a lot of shows, but I was going through a period where I was like just winning non-stop shows, and most of the shows were in New York. Sometimes they were in Jersey, but I had a good time. I had a wonderful time. And so now I don't try to win tickets because it's a chore for me to pick those tickets up. And sometimes they will mail out the tickets, but most of the time you have to go pick them up. But on the other hand, I seek out a lot of free shows. There's a lot of good shows coming all over New Jersey. And, all over the country. During the summer, they had a lot of free shows. And they be good. So all you got to do is just get you something to eat. Or if you don't want to eat, get you, something good to drink. And just, a lot of times I bring my chair. I'm going to one soon, and I'm not going to say which one it is, but there's a person that I've been wanting to see for many years, like since I think he came out in the early 2000s, and I always wanted to go, and he's coming to an event in my area. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to be there. I am going to be there. Well, God willing, if I feel well and everything, I'm going to be there. Okay? Because life is short. And you have to enjoy yourself. I believe in God and all that. And if you have seen me out, some people say those shows are simple. Okay, some may be, but I know me. I'm not the type of person. I'm not going to, meet somebody and do some things I ain't supposed to do. I don't drink, I don't smoke, I don't do nothing like that. But I am a lover of music, like extremely music. So when the summer comes in, I want to always have the opportunity to go to shows. And as I get older, most is going to be the old school shows and stuff like that because I am an older woman. But y'all, I was going to see, I ain't going to tell y'all. Because you wouldn't believe it. Some of y'all wouldn't believe it. But one of my cousins said that she may go to the show that I want to go to soon. But see, she be changing her mind a lot. And I'm the type of person, when I'm ready to go somewhere, I'm ready to go. And I don't mind being by myself. I don't know. I've always been alone, and my mother tells a story that I was alone since I was a baby. Like I didn't want to be bothered with people. And I enjoy my own company. I don't have to have no man hanging off my arm. If I meet one, that might be okay. Might be. But other than that, I'm not, looking for nobody or nothing like that. I always said I want a male friend. I had a male friend. My sister don't even know this, because she was out the house by that time. I had a good male friend, real good friend. And we used to go and hang out in New York, and had a good time. And it was never no boyfriend and girlfriend thing, but then I found out in the end that he was liking me. I felt a little bad about that because I didn't see him that way. I really didn't. But you know what? I probably would have been better off with him than other jokers that I've been with. You know, I probably would have been. But, yeah, I'm not looking for nobody. But you don't never know who God is going to put in your life. So I can't totally turn it down. But I tell you one thing. He's going to have to be a man that's godly and about something, you know. He's going to have a belief in God. He's going to have to like to have a good time, you know, go places and do things, you know, nothing crazy. So yeah, I'll get on that subject. Let me go back. Yeah, so I'm just enjoying my day. Get the Chick-fil-A. Let me see if I'm going to do the live. I don't even know how to set the live up. I don't even know how to set it up. I might try, and then if it doesn't go right, then I'll just make a regular video. This mouth will get to moving and say something, and you know, you say things and you can't take it back. you know how well, most of my girls ain't old ladies like me, okay? But y'all know old ladies don't have a filter sometimes, and I'd be scared of that. I'd be scared of that. Let me get over here to Chick-fil-A and get this food. They got a JCPenney over there. I'm gonna go in there. They have an easy pickings. Now where I'm from, they have an easy pickings, but I don't see many easy pickings around anymore. But I may go in easy pickings. I wanted to do a lot of vlogging for y'all today, but I don't really feel good. But maybe I need to eat, and once I eat, maybe I'll feel better, and I'll be ready to, you know, do more vlogging. Okay. If you get over there, you'll see me at Chick-fil-A, live or not live.